Yeah, maraming salamat. Ngayon lang ba nakadaan?
Oo, kasi busy kami. But,
Pogi tayo ng konti man lang.
yan. Yun, may free archery saka swords. Tama ba? Swords training.
So free archery. Anyway, so we do offer swordplay classes and archery classes. We do also offer free trials. Pag dumaan kayo sa amin, we teach classes over at the second floor of Puso ng Baguio building, and we also teach in Harrison. May feedback lot. Yeah. Aside from that, we also teach. We also do LARP, which is live action role play. So mamaya actually meron tayong tournament dito, LARP tournament. So maglaban yung mga tao using foam weapons and swords. It's our way din na enhancing creativity ng community. Madami sa mga na-influensyahan natin. Tayo mga geeks at heart naman, hilig manood mga fantasy movies and games, whatever. So ito na yung pagkakataon yung gawin siya in real life. Yung mga ganun. Personally, just in case, I'm an instructor sa may Vancouver. Instructor ako ng swordplay and archery in Vancouver.
Galing.
So yun talaga yung goal natin, iuwi natin yun dito, and we're spreading the love for Hema, which is historical European martial arts, which is basically historical European martial arts, which is basically ito yung martial arts sa mga knights. So yung tinuturo natin mga martial arts like what I'm holding here with a polearm, long sword, sword and shield, archery. Ito actually yung actual martial arts ng mga knights noong unang panahon.
Galing
Yes.
Galing mga KOSA, punta kayo dito sa lower session. Saka yung pinuntahan niya, Puso ng Baguio, Portabaga, sa likod nun. Ay, tama ba? Likod ang Puso ng Baguio. Yun, doon.
Puso ng Baguio and sa may Harrison.
Ay, sa Harrison, isa pa yun.
Bridge. True Hema Guild.
Yan. Mga KOSA, punta kayo ha.